over there shouting. Yeah, these boards here. Let's go have a look at one. See what's on it. Looks like bus stations times. Bus times. New. Double big tasty. McDonald's. Available until the 4th of January. Only bus station. Longton. Keele. Wood Lane. So let's go left. See what we've got. Captain Spuds, the Spud man. Nobody down there. There's not many people about actually. It's quite empty. I thought that was somebody sitting down then on the floor. Looks like a bag. So we've got Yatesy's. Yatesy's on the left. There's a light flashing over there. Some decorations hanging. Actually, I can hear an alarm going off. It sounds like it's coming from that building. Empty building. Yeah, I can see a light flashing inside. Must be coming from here. This door is closed. What have we got? The Iron Monkey. Not many people about. New look. We've got the old library on the left. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I mean, seeing right here. Go down here. Another notice board here. What have we got on it? A dentist. Keele. Only bus station, 10 minutes. Stafford. Peggays. So we're going to go down here, have a look. Another notice board here. What have we got on this one? Now bag blowing in the wind. Happy holidays. Our getaways are self-approved. So today I'm using the DJI Pocket camera. Let me put a picture on the screen there so you can see what it looks like. I was going to go in here, what is it? Home Bargains. Where I've just tried the door and it's closed. There's people in there. There's staff in there. But the doors are locked. So we'll keep going. Not many people down here. Not many people at all. Yeah, I've got a few decorations hanging. Card factory. I think Greg's is still open. I've seen people going in. It's about 7 o'clock at night. on a Tuesday night. Sports Direct, they are closed. We've got the bus station. There's a few people in there, I think. And what have we got? Another notice board. Longton and me, ABC says taxis. Your local taxi service. If you want the phone number, there it is. All these pubs are all closed. I don't know if they'll be open later, but we're closed for now. Oh, let's go have a look at the Christmas tree. Not many people up there. I wonder if there'll be a lot of people down here. Another notice board here. Nail lessons. Another, I don't know what you call them, I'll be called electronic boards, information boards. A dentist, dental and implant centre. So we make our way down to the bottom end. We can just about see the Christmas tree. Let's go have a quick look at it. I'd say it's about 20 foot high. Lots of lights on it and a star on top. So there it is. Newcastle-under-Lyme Christmas tree. We've got this sign here, down the bottom end of Newcastle. It says Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas everybody. And an Happy New Year. Lots of cars down there. Going past. Or going about the business. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas everybody. So I'm going to make my way back up to the top of the town. Go to the Guildhall, see what they've got up. Make our way back to the Guildhall. Dixie chicken. Christmas tree again. Coral Bootmakers. View Cinema. Might have a walk in there one day actually. See what films are on. Subway. Not many people in there. Poundland. That's closed. So we have got a few decorations on the Guildhall. We've got a big star. Big star on the front. And some lights on them pillars. Coming down. I don't know if you can see that, but it's about 7:15 I think. On the clock. And it looks like it's a bit blurred from here on the camera. So the Rage. Is that the Rage? The Rage House. Is that where we do the axe throwing? Never been in myself. It's a bit windy. In fact, it's going out a storm later. Storm Bran. So I've just noticed that building over there. It looks like it's empty. Did it used to be a charity shop? Yeah, an ambulance. I was only in there last week. I only went in there a few days ago. Well, it looks like it's empty. So let's go have a look. Definitely empty. There's a notice on the window. The sign's gone. So have a look at this notice on the window. Sorry, this shop has now closed. Thank you to all our customers for their support. For Midlands Air Ambulance Charity. It's definitely empty. Let's be moved. So that's about it, guys. A walk through the Christmas decorations in Newcastle. And I'll see you all on the next one. And if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye for now.